Okay, welcome back everybody. We will be talking about, well, it's called translating phrases from or into equations and expressions. And depending on which one you have or which question we're doing, that's what you either will have equal signs or you will not. For the most part, we'll have equal signs in these problems. So, translating phrases, and basically, you're writing your word, translating from a word problem into an algebraic expression or equation. So, let's hop into it. These are hopefully getting easier for you, being able to see the words, put the words into a expression, and oh, that's why I was zoomed in. Okay, so let's talk about some of these. I got A, B, C examples. Let's start with A. The product of a number B and 3 is greater than 8 and is less than 12. Okay, lots in this one, so let's dissect it or pull it apart and go from there. So the product. Okay, the product. What is the product? So multiplication. So of a number B, so we have our variable of B. Okay, I'll go ahead and put this there. And 3. Okay. So is greater than. Now we talked about is greater than a while ago, and is the important part there. Okay, is greater than, and we talked about how we read it from left to right. Is greater than, so we'd hit the big side first. Now they didn't say is equal to or greater, so like is greater than or equal to or can't go above this number, it's just greater than. So no equal sign underneath. 8 and is less than 12. So is less than is the other part here. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and put the less than symbol there. Okay, this one's interesting because we have two signs. So we have a less than, a greater than, and so we have two of those signs now. When you have these two, probably the way it'll look, and once again, I say probably, I don't like saying absolutely this how it always is, because it usually isn't always that way. But usually if you have a less than and a greater than, there will be a number on this side, and there will be a number in the middle, and there will be a number on the right side. So let's walk through this and see what we have. I'm going to start with this part up here. So the product of a number B and 3. So I'm going to go 3B. We're going to start there. So this part is greater than 8. Okay. And is less than, so now they're still talking about this 3B, so is less than, okay, hang on, I'll make this work here. Okay, so, and this piece is less than 12. Okay, now, the reason I did it like this is just so that I can read it. But now let's go ahead and make it look correct because we can't have this over the top of each other. So I can flip this around and it still says the same thing. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this. So I have 8, so 3B is greater than, so there's your, so 8 is less than, is the same thing as that. 3B is less than 12. Okay? So this would be what it would look like, and that would be how you solve it. And all I did was I took my number with the 8, so this with 3B is greater than, so it still reads the same thing, but I just switched the sign to flip it over on this side. Okay? Same thing, still works. So let's go to problem B. The product, oh, we got another product problem, of 9 and the quantity 5 more than a number, t, okay, is less than 6. So the product is multiplication. So the product of 9, so 9 times what? The quantity of 5 more than a number, t. So 5 more than would be 5 plus t. 5 plus t. And now you're going to multiply this piece, so this piece right here, by 9. So the product of 9 times 5 more than t. Okay. Now, parentheses always mean multiply. Okay, so if they have something like that, 5 more than t, and then product is multiply, just put parentheses, be able to work the same way. Okay, so now we have that built. So this group, this piece right here, is less than 6. There you go. So it is less than 6. Okay, I'm going to rotate the camera over this way so I can write a little taller, but the word problem is still down here. And you should be able to see all of that. Okay, the difference. All right, difference is subtraction. So this is subtraction right here. The difference of a number t and 7. Okay, so the difference of a number t and 7. We don't know what t is, it's just our variable. So the difference of a number t and 7. So 7 minus t. Greater, or is greater than, remember the is very important, is greater than 10. So this piece, we can go this way. So there you go. So is greater than and is less than. So this same piece right here is also less than 20. So that means that 20 is greater than this. Okay, so there you go. There's your 3 examples. These ones all were with the inequalities. Okay, that's what those are called, inequality signs. And so we have a wide range of answers, and we were able to translate them from phrases into equations or inequalities. All right, hopefully that went well for you. Please watch the video again if you need to be able to follow along. Try these problems again. Once again, I always say practice is key, and hopefully I can get you some more practice problems soon. All right, thanks for watching the video, guys.